Hello everyone, so today we will see practice set 3.2 of maths 1. So here first question, use the given letters to write the answer. Now here some sentence are given, means you have to write the answer in the form of mathematical equation. So we will see first one. There are 8 trees in the village, but if the number of trees increases every year by b, then how many trees will there be after x year. मीन्स एक गांव है, ओके, एक विलेज है, उसमें टोटल 8 ट्रीज है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल विल सी roughly one village, okay, there are 8 trees in this village. So if the number of trees increases every year by b, every year it is increasing by b, so increasing in plus b, then how many trees will there be after x year. So x year means after, जैसे बोलते हैं कि 5 years 3 years, but here we have to find after x year how many trees will be there. So suppose this is the increment of every year b, and if we have to find after x year means you have to multiply this by x. So the answer will come first one. So you have to write in one or two sentence. Total number of trees. Okay, so total there are 8 trees in this village. Then increase every year, increases that tree every year by b. So here we have to find after x year. So therefore after x year, so after x year we have to find how many number of trees will come. So a means present number of tree, plus b means every year increment, and after x year means we have to multiply by x. So therefore we'll get a mathematical equation a plus b bx. Now second, see, for the parade there are white student in each row and x rows are formed, then how many students are there for the parade in all. Okay, so for example here there are y student in each row. Suppose they here row, and in each row y student, and x such rows are formed. So like this, suppose x rows are formed. So here we have to find total number of students. So what we will do, we will multiply these two, we will get total number of student. So how we will write second one? First, total number of student in each row. So in each row there are total number of student y, and like this how many rows? X rows. So total number of rows x. So we have to find number of students. So therefore total number of students, we will get x into y. For example, here in each row 5 student, 5, 5, 5, 5, and like this how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are formed. So how we will multiply? 5 into 5 means 5 5 is 25. So total 25 students are present. Similarly, in each row there are y student, and like this x rows are formed. So we will multiply. So x into y, we will get total number of students. So like this, similarly you can solve third one. Now we'll see question number second. First add the following. How we will add? You have to see first of all same variable and same power. So first question we will see, you can add horizontally or you can add vertically. By both method I will solve first one. Which one you want, you can solve that remaining. So first one. So this is our first question, addition. Okay, here we have to add. So I will add by both method. You can take any one. So I will add by first vertical method or horizontal. Horizontal method. See, if you will add horizontal or vertical, you will get same answer by both method. So horizontal means you have to add horizontally. So first question we will write as it is. So in place of this comma we will put plus because here we are adding. Then now we will write same power and same variable means like term in one bracket. So this x cube and this we will write near in one bracket, x cube and plus 5x cube. Then after that square term we will see square term is only 1. So we will not write bracket. After that power cube over then 2. After that x variable is only 1. So 2x. Then this minus 9 and plus 9 will cancel. So we will get here 5 plus 1, here nothing is there in front of x cube, that means 1 is there. Okay, जब कभी भी कोई वेरिएबल के सामने कुछ नहीं होता है मीन्स उसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 होगा. सो ये 1 plus 5 6x cube minus this both are unlike different variable unlike terms, so we cannot add right as it is. So this is the addition by horizontal method. Now same question we will add by vertical method and we'll get same answer. So here vertical method. So if we'll add vertical, so we'll arrange in vertically. So first question we will write x cube minus 2x square minus 9. So here the next one is 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Now here we are adding, so put here plus sign. So here see x cube both are like terms, so we can add 5 plus 1 6x cube. Now here it is x square and down is x, so both are unlike term, both are different, so we cannot add or subtract, so we'll write as it is. So here first we'll write square term minus 2x square minus 2x square, after that plus 2x, then this minus 9 plus 9 will cancel, so no need to write 0. So here see we have got answer by vertical method and horizontal, both are same. So like this you can add question if they will ask add. So if sometime they will ask by horizontal then you have to add like this, and if they will tell by vertical then this method, or if they will tell only add, so out of these two any one method you can take. Which one you want is which one is easy for you, you can write by that method. Now we'll solve again. Here second one we will solve, then third you can solve. So here we will write. Now this is the question number second. Okay, here I am adding horizontally, you can add vertically also. Okay, so first of all when you are adding horizontally you have to write same term means same like variable in one bracket in descending order. So first of all highest order is 4, so we will write m to the power 4 in one bracket. So minus 7 m to the power 4, again here plus 5 m to the power 4, again power 4 is not there, then power 3 5 m cube, again this one. So we'll write, and in between you have to write addition means plus, then 5 m cube and this minus 3 m cube. After power 4 3 over then 2 means square term is only 1, so no need to write bracket. then power 1 means only one term plus 3m, then constant term root 2 and minus 6. So this will write in one bracket root 2 minus 6. Okay, so like this you have to arrange always, means you will not get confusion. So here minus plus minus, so 7 minus 5 it will come 2. Then greater number sign minus, so minus 2m to the power 4. Then here plus minus minus 5 minus 3 will come 2 plus 2m cube. Then this as it is because alone, and m 3m also as it is. Then these both are unlike, means it is in square root and is without square root, so we cannot add or subtract, so we'll write as it is. So this is the answer of this question. What we did first, in place of comma we put here plus, okay, then like term we have written in one bracket and in between plus sign, and which is alone single term that we did not put bracket, and constant term in one bracket. Then we solve bracket, and at the last these both are different, it is in square root and is without square root, so we will not add. So here we got this answer, addition. You can solve this by vertical also, same answer you will get. Now this third one you have to do same, in place of here comma plus and in place of here comma plus you put, you will get answer. Now we'll see third one, subtract the second polynomial from the first. Now here important, you have to first understand the question what they are telling. We have to subtract the second one from first. From first means second को हमें first से minus करना है. So सबसे पहले first वाला equation आएगा, then minus second वाला आएगा. If suppose यही question रहता subtract first from second, तो पहले from के बाद जो रहेगा वो पहले आएगा इक्वेशन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें लिखना subtract करना है second from the first, so पहले first वाले लिखेंगे. ओके, सो इसमें confusion नहीं होना है. So I'll solve first one, you can solve second. So first we'll solve. Here also you can subtract horizontally or vertically. I'll solve by both method, you can take any one. So first we'll solve by horizontal method. So here I am solving question number third one by horizontal method. Then again I will solve by vertical. Means you will get both answer by both method. Then as you wish you can solve by any method. Now here when you are subtracting, okay, then in between you have to put minus, and second one whatever equation that you have to always write in bracket, because when you will multiply by minus then inside all sign will change. So that's why whenever subtraction question, first no need to give bracket, if you will give no problem, but second you have to compulsory you have to give the brackets, because when we will multiply minus sign inside then all sign will changes. So here first as it is x square minus 9x plus root 3. Now here if you will minus multiply, so minus minus plus 19x and minus plus minus root 3, then minus plus minus 7x square. Now we'll see like term we will write same, just like addition we did, like term we will write in one bracket. So here square term is this both, so we will write in one bracket x square minus this last one 7x square. After square term we will write x variable, so this both in between plus always whenever addition or subtraction, but you have to put plus sign in between, and this minus 9x plus 19x, then this plus root 3 minus root 3 easily it will cancel. Now we will solve plus minus minus, here nothing is there means 1 will be present, so 7 minus 1 6 and greater number sign minus so minus 6x², and here minus plus minus, 19 minus 9 will come 10, greater number sign plus, so plus 10x. So here we got this answer, subtraction first one by horizontal method. Now same question will solve by vertical method and we will get same answer. So here now we will solve by vertical method. Vertical method में एक बात ये याद रखिए, जब भी आप सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो लाइक टर्म के नीचे लाइक टर्म ही आना चाहिए, मीन्स सेम वेरिएबल सेम पावर वाला उसके नीचे आना चाहिए। जैसे कि इस क्वेश्चन में देखे था, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में स्क्वायर देन 1 देन कांस्टेंट, मीन्स डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में प्रेजेंट है, बट सेकेंड इक्वेशन में डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में नहीं है, सो हमें फर्स्ट उसे अरेंज करना है। सो फर्स्ट हम 7x² टर्म लिखेंगे, देन माइनस 19x, देन √3 डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में। सो यहाँ पे ये याद रखना है हमेशा, जब भी वर्टिकल मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं तो पहले उसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है एंड सेम वेरिएबल के नीचे सेम आना चाहिए। देन सेकेंड स्टेप, जब भी आप सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हो वर्टिकल मेथड से तो साइन चेंज होती है, मीन्स इफ सेकेंड ये नंबर अगर पॉजिटिव है तो इसके नीचे निगेटिव साइन, एंड इफ इट इज़ निगेटिव देन हियर पॉजिटिव साइन, एंड इफ हियर पॉजिटिव देन हियर निगेटिव साइन। ओके, साइन चेंज होती है सब्सट्रैक्शन में बाय वर्टिकल मेथड। नाउ हियर अब जो 7 है उसके लिए आपको ये माइनस साइन देखना है, 19x के लिए प्लस साइन देखना है, एंड √3 के लिए माइनस साइन देखना है। सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट, हियर 1 हियर 7 एंड ये प्लस है ये माइनस है। ओके, सो प्लस माइनस क्या होता है माइनस, सो 7 में से 1 क्या होता है 6x², बट 7 इज़ ग्रेटर। अब 7 के लिए आपको माइनस साइन कंसिडर करना है, सो हियर इट विल कम माइनस। नाउ माइनस प्लस माइनस, सो 19 माइनस 9 विल कम 10, बट ग्रेटर नंबर साइन पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि अब हम 19 के लिए पॉजिटिव साइन देख रहे हैं। सो प्लस 10x, एंड हियर प्लस माइनस माइनस, so √3 minus √3 both will cancel, so no need to write 0. So by vertical method also we got same answer just like in horizontal method. So here we got by both methods same answer. So now here according to your question, if they will ask horizontally, then like this you have to add subtract, because this is a subtraction question. In horizontally always remember second equation you have to give bracket, because when you will multiply minus sign then all sign will change. Then by a vertical method you have to arrange in descending order, and like term के नीचे like term लिखना है, so you will get same answer. So this is our subtraction question number third one. Now second also you have to do same like this, any method you can solve by horizontal or by vertical. Now we'll see question number fourth. First multiply the given polynomial. Okay, so we'll multiply this one. So here two questions are there. So if I will solve second one, because first one is easy. By 2x you have to multiply, means 2x into x² minus 2x into 2 minus 2x into 1, like this you have to solve. I will solve second one. Okay, first one you can solve. Now here see, whenever you are solving multiply question, so you have to write both in bracket. Okay, so here comma means the multiplication sign. So here if you will not put multiplication sign, no problem, means there is multiplication present. So both you write in bracket. Now we have to multiply these two bracket with each other. Here two type, you can multiply first number from from first bracket to second, or from second bracket to first, as you wish. Both answer you will get. So I will multiply from first bracket to second bracket. So first I will multiply by x to the power 5 first, then here by second by third. Okay, जो पहले ब्रैकेट का पहला नंबर है उससे हम तीनों ब्रैकेट मीन्स सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के तीनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तीनों टर्म को. देन जो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट का सेकेंड नंबर है उससे हम तीनों सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के तीनों टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, ये आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए डायग्राम ऐसे बना है. So first we will multiply by x to the power 5, multiplication sign, okay, into first we will multiply by x cube, then here sign is plus, then again x to the power 5 into x to the power 5 into 2x square, then again sign is plus, then again x to the power 5 into 2, ओके। सो यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट के फर्स्ट नंबर से फर्स्ट टर्म से तीनों टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई किया। नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई सेकेंड टर्म से तीनों टर्म को। सो -1 इंटू एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स क्यूब, क्योंकि सेम टर्म आता है 1 से, बट साइन यहाँ पे चेंज होगी। अगेन माइनस प्लस माइनस, सो 1 इंटू 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x स्क्वायर, again minus into plus minus, and 2 into 1 2, so minus 2 will come. Now we will see according to indices rule. What is the indices rule? X to the power m into x to the power n, so we can add the power x to the power m plus n. So by using this indices rule we will add the power, means when base are same we can add the power. So this is the indices rule. So same here in multiplication, base are same, we can add the power x to the power 5 plus 3, then here 2 is a constant, so we'll write first 2, then x to the power 5 plus 2, then plus here 2 x to the power 5, and this as it is x cube minus 2x square minus 2. Okay, now we'll add 5 plus 3 will come 8, so x to the power 8 plus 2, x to the power 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 x to the power 5 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. So like this you have to solve. Now here all are means different power, so we cannot add or we cannot subtract. So 8 7 5 3 2 constant. So like this you have to multiply. I have multiplied here from first bracket to second. You can multiply from second to first, no problem, you will get same answer. So from first I multiply all three, then from second, then we are adding the power, because according to indices rule when base are same power you can add. So here 5 plus 3 and here 2 is constant, so first we will write and then power 5 plus 2. So like this we have add, then 5 plus 3 will come 8, 5 plus 2 will come 7, and this last one as it is. So this is the fourth second answer. So first you have to solve, second I have solved, third also you have to solve, you will get answer. Okay, multiply both give bracket, and from first from 2i you multiply to all three, then from plus 1 you multiply all three, you will get answer. So here till 4 our question answer over. Now 5th and 6th we will see in next video, because you have means you have to divide and your word problem will solve. And see, whenever in your question in your textbook star is given, means that is a hot question, means higher order thinking question and very important question, and that question you have to solve always. Maybe it can come in exam, little hard, not that much, little. So we'll solve in next video. Thank you so much.